Yo, today I'm going to show you how to get a Pokemon Go spoofer in 2026. So this works in iOS and Android. So as you can see, we got all the settings so we can actually change our character's speed. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get into the video. So as you can see, I can walk around with the joystick. So this is so cool. I can press on a Pokemon, it will take me towards it. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the guide. So as you can see, we have so many settings. So to get this, we just need to go to the website modplug.org. So let me just go ahead and show you guys the site. So once you're on here, guys, you just want to go to the search bar and type in Pokemon Go, and it should come straight up. There is going to be a couple other mods on here, so I just want to let you guys know. But I'm going to go to the search bar and type in Pokemon Go, and as you can see, it came up. So I'm going to go ahead and press on it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and pick whether I'm using iPhone or Android. Now, I do want to let you know that at the end there might be verification due to high traffic, but I already did it. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick my device, so either iPhone or Android. So then just go ahead and press connect account, and then before this loads, it's going to ask me if I want the full edition or like custom edition. So I'm just going to do full edition, and then I'm going to go ahead and press inject now. So the last thing we have to do is wait for this to load. So let's just give it a second here. As you can see, so it says like establishing connection, so you just got to wait, guys, for this to finish. As you can see, all right, so let's just give it a second. So at the end, guys, it's gonna say continue, so you just go ahead and press that, and then before this finishes, it will bring you to this last page. So this is the page with the spoofer, like the actual file. So what you want to do is just go ahead and press the button that says download, so get spoofer and joystick now, so press that. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, but that's how to get the spoofer in 2026 for free. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super amazing, guys. Totally works. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. It's super awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, but yeah, be sure to try it out. So yeah, get the word out, and you too can get the spoofer on your device. Just press that button and it will start downloading. So yeah, as you can see, guys, we got all the settings. We got favorites, which are huge cities full of Pokemon you can actually go ahead and teleport to, which is super cool. So yeah, get the word out, guys. Be sure to try us out. I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want to get the spoofer. I mean, this is so crazy, guys. It actually works. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. This is super crazy. So I'm gonna see you later. Peace out.